Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel. So we're gonna see the forex pair, what we have done analysis. You can check out also guys. I have also uploaded the new video on price action. You can that also check out. You can see here what we have done analysis is that if it will take exactly here resistance, you can see that exactly taken resistance. Our first target reached, our second target reached, our third target reached. Exactly from third target only buyers has been came, one-sided momentum came. You can see here guys, exactly here at this red candle is making. What I have taken is that I have taken small risk, 50% only lot I have purchased guys. 50 lot means whatever I have taken risk is my 50%. Okay guys, at that point I have taken here only the long position. I have kept my SL at this position and one-sided momentum. You can see that one-sided momentum at this green candle only I have booked. You can see that our analysis is 90 to 95% accurate guys. And also I have told you downside target also got and upside momentum also. You can see that next pair is euro versus USD guys. Okay guys, in euro versus USD also I have told you exactly taken resistance. You can see here. Okay guys, exactly taken resistance over first target, second target, third target. All three target has been achieved. After that I have told you in the price action, go and check out that also. In price action it goes upside. Once again this red candle is crossed and then downside it came downside. Okay guys, now price action you can see that goes upside, this is broken, means it will act as supporting area. You can see that exactly came taken support somewhere here only. I have kept my buying position guys, because I am seeing here somewhere it is came here somewhere. I am very quickly I have taken at market price only, somewhere here only triggered. Okay guys, I have kept my SL at this position. You can see here guys, one-sided momentum we have captured at this green candle only, somewhere here only I have booked my whole profit. You can see that in downside also, in upside momentum also, both in cases we have got very huge and good money guys. Hope you have traded, so please comment me down here also. I have told you euro versus GBP, I have told you that this is cross and then you can go for upside momentum. You can see here continuously consolidating and exactly taken support, crossed, means this is the buyer's area. Okay guys, if you have bought somewhere here, okay, you have not bought, at least you have bought at this place also. You can see that taken resistance, came downside once again. Okay guys, here only I have told you this is the cross and exactly coming and taking supporting area. After that you can see that one-sided momentum, our first target reached, second, third, fourth, all target has been reached and goes upside momentum. One-sided momentum we have captured. After that only I have told you this is the low. If this is cross and then you have to go for short. I have kept my SL at this red candle. Okay, this red candle high, and you can see that one-sided momentum we have captured in euro versus GBP also, and other two forex pair also. I have told you both in downside also and upside momentum, both we have captured huge profit guys. Hope you have traded and seen. Go and check out my previous video also. I have not done any editing thing, so you can check out that thing. Okay guys, so this is all. If you like this video guys, so please share with your friends and families guys. Thank you.